Describing pain is difficult due to the subjectivity that characterizes it, and the International Association for the Study of Pain defines pain as a sensory and emotionally unpleasant experience associated with actual or potential damage. We have to think about the prevalence of chronic pain, which is about 35% on population, and for this reason, spreading the culture of pain medicine is the aim of the Mediterranean Pain Forum, with lectures about interventional pain procedures, chronic pain, and neuromodulation, with a panel of international specialists like Miles Day or Simon Thompson, Agnes Stogizka, Rafael Blanc, George Mattis, Sadik Bayani, Shawn Lee, and Armando Barbosa. So MPF, it's an opportunity for all Italian pain physicians to meet international personalities directly at home. And the Mediterranean Pain Forum is basically where professionals from all over the world will participate and debate about advanced pain interventional procedures, chronic pain and neuromodulation. Right in front of the sea and right in front of Filicudi Island, where John Bonica, which is the father of pain medicine, was born. So why join MPF? First of all, because you stay updated on the latest research and practice. Second, because networking and collaboration opportunities. This event will provide networking opportunities where you can exchange ideas and establish connections. Also, to share your knowledge if you are involved in pain therapy research or in clinical practice, and attending MPF gives you the opportunity to present your own study and clinical cases. Inspiration and motivation. In fact, join MPF can be highly inspiring to meet the biggest experts in the field, and of course, certification and continuing education credits is also provided.